In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own fire wick that is actually windproof. But you can snuff it out just like that. It's real easy to make this thing. All you need is some Vaseline, some wax, and a little pot to melt it in. We got our natural rope here. We're going to cut off about 1 foot. Now we're going to add a couple spoonfuls of Vaseline and get that all good and liquefied. And once that Vaseline is good and liquefied, you're going to round your rope like that, and you're going to drop it inside the Vaseline. Now we're going to take that piece of rope out, and we're going to set it on a styrofoam plate. And we're going to let it cool off. Now go ahead and save this Vaseline because it will turn back to jelly. All right, let's start melting our wax. Now that our wax is melted, we can go ahead and drop the rope into the wax. Now take your rope out and put it on your styrofoam plate. Set your wax to the side. You're going to use it again later on for another project. Now I'm using a piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe from a previous plumbing project, and I'm going to shove it inside there. Just like that. Now with this thing, what you want to do is you want to fluff up the ends a little bit, just like that. And it's easily to start with a ferro rod or your lighter. Now you start it with your ferro rod, and you can just pull this tube, pull the rope through this tube and shut it off. Or you can use your trusty Bic lighter and just hit it one time, and then you can save the fluid in your lighter. Now, like I said earlier, this thing is windproof. You can sit there, you can move it back and forth as hard as you want. It's not gonna go out. All right, as you can see, these things are relatively easy to make. All you need is a piece of natural rope and a little piece of PVC pipe. It don't have to be metal, and it is very windproof and somewhat waterproof too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, follow, and share. I'll see you next time. God bless you.